Hello, this is ROKiT, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm here to bring you the answer to the question, what do you get in a smartphone for under $200? This is the ROKiT IO Pro 3D. Now, you might have remembered I did an unboxing and first impressions around this time last year, and boy, what a different time that was. But the reason why I'm taking another look at it is because I've decided to sponsor this video, because this video is going live the day that they are going to have this phone on sale for only $100. So it got me thinking, what can you expect to get for $100 in a smartphone? Now, before I get into what do you get for the phone, let me first explain and set the mindset for who would this phone be for. It's an unlocked GSM smartphone, so really good for anyone that wants to get an unlocked phone, who travels or used to travel and will travel again. So you have dual SIMs on here, you can travel and use it periodically wherever country you go to. Big part is if you're going to go prepaid or doing an add-a-line, this is a really solid good choice for that. You also have it really good for a kid's first phone or getting a brand new phone instead of a used phone or repairing a broken phone. That's what I think this phone is for. Now, what do you get for that? What justifies this phone to buy this one over any other phone? So first off, you get typical stuff. So what do I mean by that? Processor, headphone jack, fingerprint scanner, pretty solid overall build. The things that are unique, I would say, are going to be three things. First, 3,850 milliamp battery, pretty solid battery life, more than some flagships right now. Then you get two really important things in the budget-minded price point. 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. That really is important because in this price point, you really typically get 3 or 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs storage. Even Moto E's give you that kind of stuff. So this is already better by a lot in terms of that, because Android needs more RAM and more storage, or else you're just gonna fill it up quick. And trust me, you never wanna do that. I can't tell you how many prepaid sales associates go crazy because people fill up their storage too quickly. That's important here. Now, the other unique feature about this phone is that it comes with services. So you get free services no matter what carrier you put it on. So first one is you have a 5.99-inch display, but really where it stands out is this 1080p display is actually 3D. So things pop out at you when you watch movies that are 3D based, even YouTube 3D, you have that ability to actually have that kind of special feature. They have their own thing called ROKiT Flix 3D, which is pretty interesting because you have lots of different things from documentaries narrated by Arnold Schwarzenegger to lots of kid-friendly content. So really good, wide variety, fun, free stuff comes with it. The most unique one though, out of the telemedicine, roadside assistance, all these different features, really has to be ROKiT Talk. So I think if you want to check in on people right now that you know that are in different countries, this phone has a crazy feature, and that is unlimited international calling for 3 months, free with it. Again, doesn't matter what carrier you put it on, you don't have to get a special plan for that carrier, it just comes with the phone. That's pretty awesome. It's 60 countries, links will be in the description for which those countries are and all the limitations. But really, that is awesome. It's a great feature that you don't expect to get that you have built in. So overall, I think if you're looking for a budget-minded phone, this one kind of really showed me that you can actually get a pretty decent amount for, again, normally under 200, but today under $100. And although this sale will end on Amazon today, apparently afterward, they're gonna have a pretty good discount on their website. So if you missed the Amazon sale, it's a lightning deal. Make sure to check out their website after to get another kind of good deal. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. What do you expect to get in a smartphone for $100, $200, $300? Let me know what increases do you expect at a higher price point. I'll check out all your comments in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been ROKiT, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me.